Welcome to our channel, Tech Devil. Why are there not more people talking about the Surface Duo 3? Microsoft is back with the Surface Duo 3, a device that pushes boundaries. This isn't just another phone, it's a statement. Microsoft is serious about foldable technology. The Duo 3 isn't an iterative upgrade, it's a complete overhaul. Microsoft listened to feedback and delivered. The result? A device that's sleeker, faster, and more capable than ever before. The excitement is palpable. Tech enthusiasts and casual users alike are taking notice. The Duo 3 represents a bold vision for the future of mobile. 2 screens, endless possibilities. The Duo 3 takes this concept to the next level. The dual displays are now larger, brighter, and more responsive. Seamlessly transition between apps, or run 2 side by side. The possibilities are truly endless. Imagine reading a book on one screen while taking notes on the other. Microsoft has refined the software experience, making it intuitive and user-friendly. The Duo 3 isn't just about hardware, it's about the software that brings it all together. Under the hood, the Duo 3 boasts the latest Snapdragon processor. This translates to blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. No lag, no stutter, just pure performance. Previous Duos faced criticism for their processors. Microsoft addressed this head-on. The Duo 3 is a performance beast, capable of handling even the most demanding tasks. From gaming to productivity, the Duo 3 delivers an unparalleled experience. This is a device designed for power users who demand the best. Battery anxiety? Not with the Duo 3. Microsoft has significantly improved battery life. You can now power through your day without constantly searching for a charger. This is a game changer for foldable devices. Previous models often struggled with battery life. The Duo 3 breaks this barrier, offering true all-day usability. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, the Duo 3 keeps up with you. Finally, a foldable device that doesn't compromise on battery life. Section 5, Camera Prowess, capturing moments clearly. The Duo 3 takes a significant leap forward in camera technology. While not aiming to be a flagship camera phone, it delivers impressive results. Capture stunning photos and videos with ease. Microsoft focused on improving image quality and low-light performance. The result is a camera system that's reliable and capable. From everyday snaps to important memories, the Duo 3's camera won't disappoint. It's a testament to Microsoft's commitment to delivering a well-rounded device. Section 6, Design and Durability, sleek, stylish, and robust. The Duo 3 is a head-turner. Its sleek design and premium materials exude sophistication. This is a device that feels as good as it looks. Microsoft didn't just focus on aesthetics, they prioritized durability. The Duo 3 is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The hinge mechanism is sturdy and reliable, inspiring confidence with every fold. This is a device designed for the long haul. Section 7, Software. Harmony Android, meet productivity. The Duo 3 runs a near-stock version of Android, providing a clean and intuitive experience. But Microsoft didn't stop there. They integrated their suite of productivity apps, seamlessly blending work and play. Imagine using Microsoft Word on one screen while referencing a document on the other. The Duo 3 makes multitasking effortless. This synergy between hardware and software is what sets the Duo 3 apart. It's a testament to Microsoft's understanding of user needs. Section 8, the Duo Advantage, Use Cases and Benefits. The Duo 3 isn't just a phone, it's a productivity powerhouse, an entertainment hub, and a creativity tool. Its dual screens open up a world of possibilities. Imagine professionals reviewing presentations on one screen while taking notes on the other. Imagine artists using the Duo 3 as a digital sketchbook, bringing their ideas to life. The possibilities are endless. The Duo 3 is a device limited only by your imagination. Section 9. Shaping the Future. Foldable Phones and Beyond. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, foldable phones have emerged as a groundbreaking innovation, capturing the imagination of tech enthusiasts and industry leaders alike. These devices are not just a fleeting trend, they represent a significant shift in how we perceive and interact with our gadgets. The Microsoft Surface Duo 3 is more than just a phone, it's a statement. This device stands at the forefront of this technological revolution, embodying the perfect blend of form and function. It's not merely about having a phone that folds, it's about the endless possibilities that this form factor unlocks. It signals a future where foldable technology is the norm. Imagine a world where your phone seamlessly transforms into a tablet, where multitasking becomes second nature, and where the boundaries between different types of devices blur. This is the future that the Surface Duo 3 hints at. A future where flexibility and adaptability are key. It challenges the status quo and pushes the boundaries of what's possible. Traditional smartphones have reached a plateau in terms of innovation, but foldable devices like the Duo 3 are breaking new ground. They are redefining what we expect from our gadgets, pushing the envelope in terms of design, functionality, and user experience. With its innovative design, powerful performance, and intuitive software, the Duo 3 is poised to make waves in the tech industry. Its dual-screen setup allows for unprecedented multitasking capabilities, enabling users to run multiple apps side by side, enhancing productivity and efficiency. The hardware is complemented by software that is designed to take full advantage of the unique form factor, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. It has the potential to redefine how we interact with our devices. The Surface Duo 3 is not just about having a foldable screen, it's about rethinking the entire user experience. From gaming to productivity, from media consumption to creative work, this device offers new ways to engage with content and perform tasks. It's about making technology more adaptable to our needs and lifestyles. The future is foldable, and Microsoft is leading the charge. As more companies invest in foldable technology, we can expect to see a proliferation of devices that offer similar flexibility and innovation. Microsoft, with its Surface Duo 3, is setting a high standard for others to follow, showcasing what is possible when cutting-edge technology meets visionary design. The Duo 3 is a glimpse into that future, and it's exciting. It's a testament to how far we've come, and a preview of where we're headed. As we look forward to more advancements in foldable technology, the possibilities seem endless. From enhancing our daily lives to transforming entire industries, foldable devices are set to play a pivotal role in the future of technology. The journey has just begun, and the Surface Duo 3 is leading the way. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Microsoft Surface Duo 3 and the future of foldable technology, make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching.